Slugger, little Maximus Sergeant Slime, ready for battle, sir! Glad to hear it. Alright, let's get those muscles pumping and let's get rumbling. Tonight we're gonna draw Sergeant Slug. He's a character from Yokai Watch Season 2. He's Sergeant Burley's partner, and always there to help everyone, help all yokai get up and running. He's always there to lend a helping hand. You remember when I drew Sergeant Burley? This guy's strong, brave, tough as nails, stronger than steel, invincible, I tell ya, invincible! That's why I have this music dedicated to him. This one's for you, General. Alexa, tell everyone the definition for general.
Announcing.
The definition for general. Yeah. Alexa, what is the definition for general?
As an adjective, general is usually defined as of or relating to all persons or things belonging to a group or category. As a noun, general is usually defined as an officer ranking above a lieutenant general and below a general of the Army or general of the Air Force. For more, ask me to give you more definitions for general.
That's who this guy is! Alexa, what is a slug?
As a noun, slug can have a few meanings. 1. Any of various snail-like terrestrial gastropods having no shell or only a rudimentary one, feeding on plants and a pest of leafy garden crops. 2. A nudibranch. 3. A metal disc used as a coin or token, generally counterfeit. 4. A piece of lead or other metal for firing from a gun.
Thanks for telling everyone that. He may look like a slug, but he's tough as iron.